With the knees. With the knees, people.
I do want to send a special shout out to Freshwater Master. He said, this is an algorithm comment. Dope vid, bro. So even though he probably didn't watch the video, he still commented to help the channel out. So I want to say thank you. It caught me super off guard. I've never seen a comment like that. So thank you, brother, for the support. It helps out the channel, man. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, as you guys can read in the title, we're gonna be trying to attempt, well actually not attempt, I already did it. We're gonna be trying to fix my honeycomb hood in the front. I don't know what it is exactly. I think it's like a paint or like a paste or something, kind of weird. But it's around the hood, and I want to see if I can go ahead and wet sand it and then have like the clear finish on top instead of that super matte. Because on the side of the hood you can see like the paint, and it's like not showing the carbon, and it's bothering me a lot. Actually, it's like a little spot, but it bothered me a lot. And I already went ahead and sanded it down, do a little test, and that was all good. So we're gonna go ahead and do that in other spots and leaving it, you know, nice and crisp. So we have a nice hood. This LED strip right here on this side, we're gonna go ahead and remove that because it just looks flimsy. The heat is beating up on it and it looks kind of trash. And it was supposed to be purple lights, but they just look white. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take that off. But right now we're gonna go ahead to Costco, get some gas and get some some food. All right, y'all, we just made it to Costco. I want to go ahead and show you guys these speed bumps that are low-key mountains. I don't know how I made my car go over it. I guess thank God for freaking airbags, but check this out. Look at that, bro. That is insane. Look at this. Freaking crazy. Shit, my bad. If you have coils, really consider getting airbags. Without those airbags, I would have got stuck. I would have had to do a U-turn or something because that was insanely high. What are you gonna get from Costco? Bro, someone tell me why we got 2 slices of pizza, 1 big old churro, a big ass hot dog, a drink, and a mocha freeze, all for $10. Hell no. Alright guys, we are back from feasting. Honestly, that was a lot of food, but the churro was like and that mocha freeze is Oh no, you like it?
Yes, I like it.
She likes it. It was but the pizza and the hot dog though are really good. Check that out, folks. 105 degrees outside. If that ain't hot, I don't know what is. And this is the exact reason that I go to Shell. Look at that madness, and the line goes all the way back. I'm gonna have to go right now because there's a car behind me, but that is ridiculous. What's your problem?
You touching gas stuff and not putting hand sanitizer on. You already touched your camera?
Okay. As you guys see, we decided to come to Shell because Costco is just way too packed. We're just gonna put 30 bucks, and that should be enough for today. Hello?
Hop on.
Hop on.
I'm already on. My PC's on.
Let me see.
I'll get on in like 15 minutes.
Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you guys exactly what the issue with the hood is. It's not a real big thing. It was just kind of bothering me for a sec. In the shadows right here, like if you're looking at it from right now, you will not be able to notice, so I'm kind of having a hard time. Hopefully, let me bring out a flashlight. You will probably mostly tell in the sun, because in the sun you can really see the carbon, but that part is painted and it's matte, so you really cannot see the carbon. Let me see if I can grab my iPhone and show you a better clip of that, because sometimes iPhones show it a lot better. There you go, the iPhone does wonders, I'm telling you. But you guys can see that opaque stuff. So yeah, I don't know what it is, but you can take it off really easy. And look, you can see it's on there as well. It's on the side of the vents mostly. So when it comes to polishing, I use Griot's Complete Polish. I use this, and then after that I use a liquid wax 3-in-1. These two in a combination do freaking wonders, man. Alright Alright guys, as you can see right now, there's still some left, but we took most of it out, as you guys can see. But it's starting to disappear. But to be honest guys, I think we're gonna have to come back a little bit later, like probably 10-11 p.m. open the garage and let some freaking cool air. We should not be doing any type of polishing, buffing, anything like that when it's 105 degrees. That's absolutely insane. I just did it kind of to demonstrate it, but we're gonna go ahead and perfect it later at night once it's a lot cooler, because right now it is insanely hot. So let me go ahead and cut it till night, because right now it's too hot. I'll catch you guys in 2 hours. Can you guys see the fade? I hope not. I think it went away. Now that we're done with the hood, I do want to take off those LED strips that we had inside the car, because they do not look good. So if you guys take a look at my interior right now, it looks nice and simple, right? Which is what I want. But if you take a look at this bezel piece, it's like lifted, because I had to put the freaking light there, like this freaking light strip. You can also see in this trim bezel that is pretty uneven, like some parts are thicker and thinner than others, and that's because this is very fragile and very flimsy as well. Plus the lights don't even look purple. Let me go ahead and turn on the car to show you guys. But these look at the trim bezel. Is like super uneven, you guys can see there, and it gets tired of trying to fix it every single time. They're not even purple, and then it's just during the day it looks very cheap, and it's just not the move, man. So without further ado, let's go ahead and remove this trim. Brother, you did me good, but you have to go. I'm sorry. Unless you guys are interested, of course, then I can go ahead and save it for you. Come pick it up. It's for free, and you can go ahead and take it and put it on your car and see how it is. Check that out. A lot cleaner, a lot better. We're ready to roll, baby. Anyways, you guys, that'll be the end of this video, but tomorrow we are receiving something you guys were complaining about. I literally put them on to make it better, but for some reason you guys thought it was not the best move, so I went ahead and ordered another one. I think this will look a lot better, I think, and hopefully it does. And if you guys don't like this, I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do. So without further ado, I'll catch you guys tomorrow with that video. Hopefully you guys like it. Please like it. And I just want to say, guys, thank you guys for the support recently. You guys have been killing it, dude. So thank you guys so much. Let's get to 30,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I'll catch you guys tomorrow with some more content with the G35. Thank you guys for the support. Be safe. Love you guys. Be distinct. Peace.